प्रियंका चोपड़ा है, शी इज अट्रैक्टिव, शी इज सिंगल, शी इज ऑल ओवर द प्लेस, राइट? तो शी इज गोना गेट मूवीज, शी इज गोना गेट मोर ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट्स, तो वो हर जगह दिखेंगी, उनकी विजिबिलिटी होगी, वो प्रेस में हर जगह दिखेंगी, मीडिया में एक्टिव होंगी. सो ऑब्वियसली द ब्रांड दैट शी इज एंडोर्सिंग इज गोइंग टू बेनिफिट फ्रॉम हर विजिबिलिटी एंड हर पॉपुलैरिटी एवरीवेयर. अगर एक एक्ट्रेस की शादी हो जाती है एंड देन शी इज ऑन द फैमिली वे विच इज नेचुरल, तो चांसेस आर शी इज गोना डू लेस मूवीज, मीन्स लेस विजिबिलिटी. So the brand is not going to benefit as much if the actress is a little laid back or at that time her priorities have changed. अगर आप उल्टा देखते हैं तो जैसे मलाइका अरोड़ा खान है, she's past that stage, you know, where she needed to give time to her marriage or her child or whatever, and she's in good shape and she's made a comeback and she's getting more endorsements now. So it's not about being married or unmarried, it's about how visible or not so visible that they're going to be. Kareena, after she got over her whole size zero thing, then she did the Chamak Chalo. And Vidya Balan, तो ये लोग अपनी कमर दिखाते हैं, they're probably giving you the sexiest shots there, because I think it's better to show the curve here than show the bulge here.
एक्ट्रेसेस के लिए क्या शादी बन जाती है बर्बादी? क्यों बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस को शादी के बाद ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट से धोना पड़ता है हाथ? हम आपको बताएंगे पेज 3 पर. प्रियंका चोपड़ा आजकल दिखती हैं कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड की क्रीम को एंडोर्स करते हुए. ये वही ब्रांड है जिसकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट पहले जेनेलिया डिसूजा करती हुई नजर आती थी, बट एवर सिंस जेनेलिया टाइड द नॉट, वो इस ब्रांड की प्रमोशन में नजर नहीं आती हैं. उनकी जगह प्रियंका चोपड़ा बन गई हैं इस कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड का न्यू फेस. दत्ता को भी शादी के बाद एक हेयर ऑयल के एंडोर्समेंट से हाथ धोना पड़ा. जिस हेयर ऑयल को लारा काफी टाइम से एंडोर्स कर रही थी, अब उसकी एड में कंगना रनौत नजर आती हैं. इंटरनेशनल फेम पाने के बाद शिल्पा शेट्टी बन गई एक शैम्पू की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, लेकिन राज कुंद्रा के साथ शादी करने के बाद इस ब्रांड को एंडोर्स करती दिखी बिपाशा बासु, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा और हॉटेस्ट फ्लेवर कटरीना कैफ. वैसे कई बार स्टार वैल्यू इतनी ज्यादा होती है कि शादी के बाद भी ब्रांड्स उनसे जुड़े रहना चाहते हैं. ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन पोस्ट मैरिज भी एक इंटरनेशनल कॉस्मेटिक ब्रांड की एम्बेसडर बनी हुई हैं, लेकिन फिर भी ऐश की शादी के बाद उस ब्रांड ने सोनम कपूर जैसी यंग एंड स्टाइलिश एक्ट्रेस को भी एंडोर्समेंट के लिए साइन कर लिया. यानी ऐश जैसी बिग स्टार होने के बावजूद द ब्रांड मेड श्योर टू एसोसिएट विद अ फ्रेश फेस. वहीं न्यूबी सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ने तो कटरीना कैफ को भी कुछ ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट्स में रिप्लेस किया है. भले ही कटरीना स्टिल नॉट मैरिड, लेकिन जब कैट और सलमान की ब्रेकअप और सोनाक्षी और सलमान के लिंकअप की स्टोरीज आई, लगभग तभी सोनाक्षी एड्स में देने लगी दिखाई. सोनाक्षी उस सोप और ज्वेलरी ब्रांड का फेस बन गई जो कभी कटरीना से जुड़े थे. यानी शादी के साथ रिलेशनशिप्स भी एक्ट्रेसेस की एंडोर्समेंट डील्स पर करता है डायरेक्ट असर. क्यों शादी के बाद एक्ट्रेसेस को नहीं मिलती एंडोर्समेंट्स इन एड फिल्म्स? Why are they perceived obsolete? Let's find out all the answers to our queries on Party Shati today with Page 3 and Bollywood expert Simi Chandok. Simi, welcome to the show.
Hi Supreet.
शादी के बाद ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हमारी हीरोइंस को इतनी एंडोर्समेंट्स नहीं मिल पाती?
Well, I think because जब उन्हें साइन किया जाता है as brand ambassadors, so they're obviously signing them for their star power, for their popularity, for their visibility. तो अगर आज प्रियंका चोपड़ा है, she's attractive, she's single, she's all over the place, right? तो she's going to get movies, she's going to get more brand endorsements, तो वो हर जगह दिखेंगी, उनकी visibility होगी, वो प्रेस में हर जगह दिखेंगी, मीडिया में एक्टिव होंगी. So obviously the brand that she's endorsing is going to benefit from her visibility and her popularity everywhere. अगर एक एक्ट्रेस की शादी हो जाती है and then she's on the family way which is natural, तो chances are she's going to do less movies, means less visibility, means less publicity, less of media attention. So the brand is not going to benefit as much if the actress is a little laid back or at that time her priorities have changed. So it's not about being married or unmarried, it's more like, okay, now she's going to do less movies, she's going to get less work, and in case she's pregnant or whatever, she's not going to be doing as many movies and whatever. So that's the reason I think they lose out on brands. And अगर आप उल्टा देखते हैं तो जैसे मलाइका अरोड़ा खान है, she used to not get so many brand endorsements earlier, but right now she's out of that whole family thing. where they know that she's done with her child and she's done with her marriage and everything. She's happily married, meaning she's past that stage, you know, where she needed to give time to her marriage or her child or whatever, and she's in good shape and she's made a comeback and she's getting more endorsements now. So it's not about being married or unmarried, it's about how visible or not so visible that they're going to be.
But mostly this perception is based on assumption, right? That once you get married, this is what will happen.
Well, usually hota to aise hi hai. I mean, any girl who's getting married is going to plan a child. So for 9 months, she's going to disappear. And that's the way it is. So, jaise Kajol hai, she's making a comeback right now. So if she's in good shape, she might get the endorsements because again, she's done with her family planning and everything. But then there are the younger girls who have just gotten married, so they tend to lose out. It's like Janila will probably start losing out right now. So wo already abhi she's trying to grab everything. Kahin pe wo TV shows kar rahi hain, kahin pe wo ads kar rahe hain together. And frankly, Janila does not even need the money. She's married into such a wealthy family and they're making enough money on their own. But it's like she's going to start losing out now because it's like she's married and very soon she's going to be on the family way and pictures to milengi nahi phir itni. So agar come back kiya to it's great, but otherwise I think they're being fair, don't you think so? Because wo ne agar paisa de rahe hain endorsements ke liye, it's for the star power, right? And if it's not there, so I don't think the brand sponsors are being unfair. They're just being practical.
But don't you think somewhere it's a bit unfair that men don't have to go through it, married or not?
Well, because men don't need to take a break and they stay the same. And also, I think ये जो हमारे married stars हैं, जो आज brand ambassadors हैं for leading products, don't forget that ये जो brand endorsements का trend है, ये 10 साल पहले ही आया इंडिया में. तो at that time, whether it was an Amir Khan or a Shah Rukh Khan or a Hrithik Roshan, they were already married. So that's the way they came into the industry. So you cannot change that. So that's why I think it doesn't matter if the men are married, because जब तक ये trend आया और जो हमारे reigning superstars थे वो already married थे. So people accepted them the way they are and there was no change and there has been no change. They have the same body. If at all they're looking better, they're looking younger thanks to all the workouts and the Botoxes and everything. So I think it's not changing for them because they don't need to take sabbaticals and they don't need to take breaks.
So maybe for women, the unmarried options are available, so the married ones lose out.
Yes, exactly.
Actresses की तो हर अदा ही ढाती है कहर, but nothing can beat sexy पतली कमर. सोनाक्षी हो या कटरीना, एक्ट्रेसेस की लचकती कमर ने तो जैसे मुश्किल कर दिया है जीना. एक्ट्रेसेस फ्लॉन्ट करके अपनी कमर बन गई है और भी हॉट, और उनकी ये सेक्सी कमर बन गई है पेज 3's हॉट शॉट.
सोनाक्षी सिन्हा आजकल अपनी बलखाती लचकाती कमर से लोगों को बना रही हैं क्रेजी. उनकी फिल्म राउडी राठौड़ के एक गाने में तो सिर्फ सोनाक्षी की कमर ही छाई हुई है. नीडलेस टू से कि सोनाक्षी अपनी कमर मटका कर ही सेड्यूस करने में लगी हुई हैं आजकल. चिकनी चमेली बनकर कटरीना ने अपनी पतली कमर कुछ ऐसे लचकाई कि कैट की चिकनी कमर पर सभी फिसल गए. एंड हु वुड नॉट रूल ओवर सच अ सेक्सी कमर. Tall and slender दीपिका पादुकोण भी दिखाएंगी अपनी पतली कमर in her upcoming film Cocktail, जहां वो नजर आ रही हैं exposing her well-shaped waist in a bikini. वैसे मिस पादुकोण ने कभी वेस्टर्न वेयर तो कभी इंडियन आउटफिट्स पहनकर फिल्म्स में पहले भी दिखाई है अपनी कमर. अपनी लेटेस्ट फिल्म जोड़ी ब्रेकर्स में हॉट बिपाशा बासु ने भी अपनी कमर को बड़ी अदा से मचकाया है. उस व्हाइट रिवीलिंग आउटफिट में बिपाशा मेड श्योर टू एक्सपोज हर सेक्सी वेस्टलाइन. विद द काइंड ऑफ फिट बॉडी दैट बिप्स हैज, उनकी टोन्ड कमर पर कौन नहीं मरमिटेगा. मल्लिका शेरावत तो अपनी हॉट बॉड को दिखाने में कभी पीछे नहीं रहती हैं. अपने हर आइटम नंबर में मल्लिका सिर्फ अपनी पतली कमर लचकाती ही नहीं बल्कि उसे दिखाती भी हैं. जब स्क्रीन पर दिखाती है अपनी कमर में शेरावत तो लोगों के लिए वो बन जाती है हसीन आफत. जनरली एक्ट्रेसेस अपनी वेल शेप्ड पतली कमर को एक्सपोज करके स्क्रीन पर सिजल करती हैं, लेकिन विद्या बालन और करीना कपूर ने सेड्यूस करने के इस रूल को कर दिया थोड़ा चेंज. पतली ना सही लेकिन अपनी बल्की कमर को किया फ्लैश और फिर भी स्क्रीन पर लगा दी आग. विद्या और करीना की नॉट सो लीन कमर ने भी कर दिया जादू. विद्या एज सिल्क एंड करीना एज छमक छल्लो ने पब्लिक को कर दिया बेकाबू. पतली हो या ना हो, एक्ट्रेसेस की कमर बन जाती है उनका मैजिकल वॉन्ड, जिसे घुमाते ही वो चला देती है लोगों पर जादू. दिखाकर अपनी सेक्सी कमर एक्ट्रेसेस दे रही हैं दैट किलर शॉट, और इनकी कमरिया है जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर पेज 3's हॉट शॉट.
Simi, moving on to odd shot, what is with this obsession with patli kamar?
Well, I don't think it's really the patli kamar. In fact, it's the kamar that has become the new oomph factor. And agar hum dekh rahe hain to pehle the girls would have really flat stomachs, and that's what they would show off. So you have Katrina, then you have Bipasha, and you have Deepika, who are like showing you like those iron board, washboard stomachs that are really flat. And now you have these girls who are kind of more well endowed, and they don't really give a damn because this is the thinnest they can probably be. And even Kareena, after she got over her whole size zero thing, I find it so boring, this whole size zero phrase, But anyway, after she decided to come back to her normal size, and then she did the Chamak Chalo. And Sonakshi, she's not known for being thin, but she's very pretty, and I think she's still looking sexy. तो वहाँ पे वो लोग अपनी कमर दिखाते हैं. And Vidya Balan, तो ये लोग अपनी कमर दिखाते हैं. They're probably giving you the sexiest shots there because I think it's better to show the curve here than show the bulge here.
Well, there's one person who's not all that well endowed or keeping it real, and that is Mallika Sherawat.
Well, वो तो अपनी कमर क्या, वो तो अपनी पूरी बैक साइड ही दिखा रही थी at the Cannes Film Festival. But अगर मल्लिका कपड़े पहनेंगी और कुछ दिखाएंगी नहीं तो उन्हें कौन देखेगा?
Well, what can we say? She cracked it.
Absolutely.
So packed with punch and so full of glamour. Well, this happens only on page 3, and no, we're not saying bye-bye yet. So see you in a few moments. Time now for a powwow, yani ki page 3's person of the week. It's Kishore Bajaj, who has made it to the most coveted Indians list just released by a popular glossy.
तो क्यों है किशोर बजाज on the same list as Ranbir Kapoor, Shahid Kapoor, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Priyanka Chopra, Neeta and Mukesh Ambani?
Simi, let's now talk about the person of the week, Kishore Bajaj.
Yes, absolutely. हमारे viewers जो बॉम्बे के हैं वो तो उन्हें जानते ही होंगे, but outside this city, people may not be very aware of who he is. So I think we should tell our viewers a little bit about Kishore Bajaj. Well, his dad, many decades ago, had started a company, Bada Saab, that used to make costumes for all Indian movies. And Kishore Bajaj did not stop there, and he took it further. He has some of the best, high-end international fashion labels under his store. And even when it comes to high-end restaurants, he's probably the best name around right now. I mean, जो उनका high-end Chinese restaurant है, वहाँ पर it's an international chain restaurant. And Akshay Kumar has to wait for a table, and Ranbir Kapoor and all the boys and all the stars are always getting food from that restaurant. So that's how popular it is. So this is a guy who has Bollywood literally eating out of his hands. And that was wonderful when I was going through this magazine where they did the Hot 100 list of India. I was very proud to see that most of them were from our city, Mumbai. And for him to have made it there, Kishore Bajaj, I think is very different because you have a Shahid and you have a Ranbir and you have so many youngsters from Bollywood, and then you have him there making a complete mark, and they got all the details. In the sense, he has a beautiful fleet of cars and each one has a number plate. The license plate says 1, so you can recognize the car anywhere. And the reason I think he deserves to be on page 3 is because एक तो ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिन्हें पब्लिसिटी चाहिए होती है और एक ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिन्हें बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए होती. So sometimes it's more exciting to get the reclusive kinds.
Simi, you look like you're in complete party mood, but you have to first give us the glam dose from all the parties.
You know what? I can't wait because I was in Jaipur for the Rajasthan Fashion Week, and Sanjeev Bali, who's a very popular person in, I think, Northern India, and he hosted a beautiful sit-down dinner for very few people, and I was in the company of Zayed Khan, and I had a wonderful conversation because usually जब हम आपस में मिलते हैं, it's always at parties or fashion weeks and hey, what's up and whatever. And यहाँ पे मेरी इतनी detail में conversation हुई. I was just amazed at how intelligent, how well-read, and how philosophical and how spiritually evolved Zayed Khan is. To be honest, I used to always think that he's just a party animal, like I'm sure many people think I am. But there is so much more to that guy, and I was very impressed. But you have to check out the place. जो हमारे host हैं संजीव बाली, मैंने कहा उन्होंने एक fort के अंदर जयपुर में एक restaurant बनाया है, एक lounge है, and I cannot tell you. I mean, if I say it, I don't think words are enough. We just have to show the video to our viewers, and he was kind enough to let the Zoom cameras in for page 3, and I'm so happy to share this with our viewers. They just have to check out how beautiful this restaurant and this lounge is.
Let's do then. Well, I'm sure there was a lot of glittering affairs as well.
So Nisha Jamal co-hosted this wonderful evening with the Greek ambassador to India, and you know they had Greek jewelry on display, very sweet-looking models showing them off, showcasing them, an extremely well-attended party. I think after a long time I caught up with a lot of Page 3 people, and it's a fun evening. I think we should check it out.
Let's do. Well, Simi, thank you for that. And like I said, you look like you're ready to party, so I'm not going to keep you waiting. And we'll join you next week again.
Thank you.
And now time for Page 3's Head Turner of the Week. It's Deepika Padukone turning heads with her beautiful hair.
तो चलो जानते हैं why Deepika is the head turner of the week. Deepika को मिला है world's best hair का sash from Parachute Advanced. When it comes to healthy hair and trendy hairstyles, Deepika is the best head turner of Bollywood. This in spite of shooting and styling her hair non-stop for films and promotions. कैसे prevent करती हैं वो hair damage? कैसे रखती हैं Deepika अपने hair को इतना healthy and even better? Deepika is all set to share some tips for healthy hair.
Apart from using Parachute Advanced, I think it's also very important to lead a healthy lifestyle. I think drinking enough water, to eat healthy, to get adequate sleep. I think all these factors also complement, enhance good hair.
What is Deepika's quick style? Let's check it out.
I think to put it up in a nice slick ponytail, even a nice, like a nice top bun with some interesting tips.
How does Deepika deal with a bad hair day?
An oil massage with the Parachute Advanced, I think for me is an instant quick fix to a not such a good hair day, and I think then you wrap it up with a nice hot towel and it's like deep conditioning. जब भी मैं travel करती हूँ मैं अपने साथ Parachute Advanced carry करती हूँ. I think it's the most practical thing and the most convenient thing to do. It saves me in any form of weather.
I never thought I would get the world's best hair at such a young age. Now I'm super happy to receive this from my role model Deepika. Now I want like her beautiful hair. Thank you.
Page 3 पर बाकी है more धमाल, so don't go anywhere क्योंकि we will be back in a jiffy. Now I have to go and you will have to wait for another date right here on Page 3 only on Zoom because it is India's #1 Bollywood channel.